Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, it's a cold start out there once again this morning, but not nearly as cold as it was this time yesterday. But again, still chilly as you head out the door. 26 degrees out at Bluegrass Airport. That feels like temperature, or the wind chill, is at around 18 degrees with winds out of the south this morning at around 7 miles per hour. Now, those winds out of the south are going to help warm us up, and today we start the climb as temperatures go above freezing for us later on this afternoon. Satellite and radar, not much going on across the entire Bluegrass state and the Ohio Valley for that matter. It's going to be a fairly calm day today. The big thing you'll notice is, especially later on, clouds will begin to increase for us ahead of our next system. So today and tomorrow is kind of calm. We're just dealing with some of that cloud cover tomorrow, but then we fast forward to the next big thing that moves in here on Thursday. So you can see this cold front as it approaches, maybe a few scattered showers earlier in the day into the early afternoon, but the main event arrives Thursday evening when we will be dealing with some widespread rain around here. Could be fairly steady at times before it shuts off late Thursday night into early Friday morning. Could even end as a flake or two mixing in as some colder air rushes in. Now, the big thing I want to talk about as well is we are going to be experiencing a warming trend over the next couple of days. So that Arctic blast moves out of here, and then we get some warmer weather tomorrow and into Thursday. It's still chilly, but not nearly as cold as it has been, as we'll continue to see some of those warmer conditions, especially Thursday when those highs jump into the 50s. Unfortunately, it's along with some rain. But then behind that front, as I was talking about, is this cold air that dives back in for us. Now, the good news is it doesn't last long. We start to warm back up into the weekend once again, and overall, the trend into late December is above normal temperatures for a large portion of the country here. Actually, majority of the country looks to be above average. I think by Christmas, some of the models are hinting at the potential for us reaching the 60s. So we're trading the Arctic blast for well above normal temperatures as we go into Christmas week. So let's talk about what we can expect, though, around the area today, other than warming temperatures. 40 degrees for us for an afternoon high here in Lexington. Some spots could push 50 the further south you go. Clouds will increase as the day goes on, and again, overall, it's much warmer. Now, overnight tonight, down into the mid to lower 30s. Notice a little bit cooler out in the valleys out in eastern Kentucky, where we could dip back below freezing, but not nearly as cold as it has been under mostly cloudy skies tonight. So here's that 7-day forecast. Again, today, tomorrow, not much to talk about. Increasing clouds today. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, but we're dry and temperatures continue to climb. Rain in here on Thursday, but those highs warming into the mid-50s. And then we get that brief setback I was talking about there on the map. On Friday, highs only in the lower 30s or right around freezing or so. So much colder. And then notice as we go into the weekend here, that's when we'll start to warm things back up once again with those temperatures back in the upper 40s to near 50. And again, Tyler, all indications are as we head into Christmas week, could even be pushing 60 degrees by Christmas. We'll see.